AceThinker free online screen recorder. The first recommended free screen recorder no watermark for PC is AceThinker free online screen recorder. A web-based, lightweight, free tool that allows you to record computer desktop screen up to 1080p without any time limit. You can select the region to record, and choose to record either system sound or microphone. The good thing is that it doesn't require you to create an account, as long as you have an internet connection and a web browser. You are good to go. Aside from that, it enables you to add real-time annotations like shapes, lines, arrows, text, etc. during the recording. Just follow the easy-to-use interface and capture any activity on your computer screen and clicks Configuration. Pros: Number 1. Free screen recorder online, no watermark, no time limit, no registration. Number 2. Record full screen or only a selected part, and record webcam. Number 3. Record video along with audio from system and microphone. Number 4. Annotate the recording in real time. Number 5. Record video in high quality, up to 1080p. Number 6. Share recording to YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, etc. OBS Studio. When talking about the screen recorder for PC free download without watermark, we have to mention OBS Studio, a free open source tool for screen recording and live streaming. You can use it to record online videos, gameplays, video calls, and anything happening on your computer screen without any restrictions on the video length. If you're a game lover, then OBS Studio is the best free no watermark screen recorder for you, as it's possible to record high FPS games. Another nice feature about this free screen recording software no watermark is its robust video editing feature that allows you to trim, cut, merge, delete, zoom in, out, and more on the video. Configuration. Number 1. Open source free screen recorder, no time limit, no watermark for Windows, Mac and Linux. Number 2. Multiple flexible recording modes. Number 3. Record video in high quality at 1080p and 60 fps. Number 4. Excellent video and audio editing functions provided. Number 5. You can customize its advanced settings depending on your needs. Number 6. Broadcast the recorded game video directly to YouTube, Twitch and the likes. ActivePresenter. ActivePresenter by Atomi Systems is one of the best screen recorders for PC without watermark that we cannot ignore. There is also no recording time limitations. It offers all the features needed to record your computer screen with audio up to 1080p quality. Moreover, it allows you to put annotations and edit screencast videos. This tool is usually used to create handouts, manuals, documentation, training videos, how-to tutorials, e-learning courses, and other educational content media. It's very popular among teachers and professionals. Configuration. Number 1. Free recording software, no watermark, no time limit X. Number 2. Record full screen, region, webcam, window, etc. and take screenshots. Number 3. Record mouse cursor and add annotations like shape, line, arrows, text callouts, etc. Number 4. Video editing tools like trim, cut, join, etc. are available. Number 5. You can export video into MP4, AVI, WMV, WebM and MKV. Number 6. Upload and share recorded video directly to YouTube. Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is another browser-based free online screen recorder no watermark that you can use to record your screen display for free without watermark added. Though you can record videos for up to 15 minutes, you can record unlimited times as you like. With this free tool, you can record full screen or region according to your needs. Besides, it offers a built-in video editor that allows you to zoom in and out the video, add text and images, and more. Since sharing and managing your videos on cloud hosting is never an easy task, this tool helps to upload videos to Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Configuration. Number 1. Record full screen, region, active window, and webcam. Number 2. Record audio narrations from microphone. Number 3. Add stock music and captions to the recorded video before saving it. Number 4. Save video to MPV, AVI and FLV. FlashBack Express. FlashBack Express by Blueberry Software is also one of the best screen recorders without watermark for PC. Actually, it's a free version of the premium FlashBack Pro, but the free version is okay for many cases. The free FlashBack Express recorder allows you to record the full screen, region and window along with webcam, microphone, and system sound. There is no limit on the video length unless you set one by yourself. And you can use the scheduled recording function to start and stop the recording automatically at a specific time you want. Configuration. Number 1. Record whole screen, a select area, a window or a webcam. Number 2. You can schedule recording at designated time. Number 3. Add commentary and music to the video. Number 4. Directly upload and share video to YouTube. Freecam. Freecam is another free screen recorder, no time limit, no watermark, for Windows the 7th of August 10 that you can use to create screencast videos. It allows you to record full screen or selected region according to your needs. You can record both the sounds from the microphone and system. During the recording, you can highlight the mouse cursor and turn on mouse click sounds to emphasize key details and steps. What's more, there is a built-in editor that allows you to delete unwanted parts of the video, remove background noise, adjust volume, etc. to polish the recorded video instantly. Configuration. Number 1. Record entire screen, selected region or a single window. Number 2. Record voiceover and system audio. Number 3. Has a built-in video and audio editor. Number 4. Directly share video to YouTube. ShareX. ShareX should be included in the list of best screen recorder free without watermark. The same as OBS Studio. It's an open-source screen recorder that allows you to capture your computer screen in full screen, region, or window for free with no watermark or time limit. You can even capture the computer screen according to a schedule by setting a task. The interface is much intuitive among open-source tools, so you can start and finish the recording without learning curves. Configuration. Number 1. Free open-source screen recorder for PC, no watermark. Number 2. Multiple capture codes for you to record video and capture screenshots. Number 3. You can add customized watermarks. Number 4. Send videos straightly to 80+ social media websites and file sharing sites. TinyTake. The next free screen recorder with no watermark for PC is TinyTake from the Mango apps. Actually, we can say that it's a free version of the premium software with limited recording features. You can capture your pictures and videos on your computer screen in 1080p quality. Also, you can share the recorded video to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Dailymotion, and more. However, the recording limit is 5 minutes. If you want to record online movies and webinars, TinyTake is not a good option. Configuration. Number 1. Easy to use interface. Number 2. Capture whatever you see on computer screen in different recording modes. Number 3. Annotate the screencast and screenshot with text, arrows, highlights, etc. Number 4. Share videos and screenshots in the cloud. Number 5. Free online storage up to 2 GB. Screencastify, screen video recorder. If you're using a Chrome browser and want to record some short clips, you can try the online Chrome video recorder extension called Screencastify, screen video recorder. With this free screen recorder online with no watermark, you can record desktop screen, browser tab, or webcam with microphones, audio as narrations. After the recording, you can trim the video and annotate it with some drawing tools. And it allows you to share the recorded video to YouTube, send in an email, share to the classroom, and generate QR code. However, though you can record unlimited times, each video can last only 5 minutes. Configuration. Number 1. Compatible with Windows, Mac and Chromebook. Number 2. Record desktop, browser or webcam. Number 3. Multiple ways to publish and share your video. Number 4. Generate a shareable link instantly to share your recording. Number 5. Export as MP4, animated GIF or MP3. Number 6. Upload and share recorded video directly to YouTube. Windows 10 Game Bar. If you're using a Windows 10 PC and want to record a gameplay video, then the Windows 10 Game Bar is a good free screen recorder. Windows 10 No Watermark for you. It's a screen recording tool inspired by the Xbox Game Bar that's primarily designed to record gameplay on Windows 10. You can also use it to create how-to videos, record webinars, capture videos, etc. However, you can't record desktop or choose to record a specific region, as the Game Bar in Windows 10 only allows you to record the screen activity of an active application. Configuration. Number 1. Pre-installed free screen recorder for PC without watermark. No need to install any software. Number 2. It allows you to trim the recorded video. Number 3. You can change the default name of the recordings before you save it or share it online.